Hey guys, and thank you so much for joining me here on Product Perspective. So hopefully you guys like my new setup. I actually built that shelf, got some cool lights on it, just some of my extra equipment, and this is actually in my room. So right in front of me is my desk I do all my editing on, my bed's over there, and I really like this setup, so this will probably be about half of my videos will be here. The rest will be down in the studio, where it's more preset for unboxings and stuff like that. So. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a review on the FIFINE, I would guess. I mean, I don't know how you guys want to pronounce that. Technology, it is I believe it's called the C1 microphone. It is a lapel microphone, lavalier lapel microphone. And I guess there's two in here. I have already kind of tested it out, so I'm just going to do a quick recap on that. So one of them, there's actually two in here. One of them goes on your head. This cord I'm just gonna leave like that. It goes on your head like this, and you pretty much just use it as an interviewing microphone. It doesn't really fit that well. Hopefully you can see that. It kind of sticks out the back there. I don't know, there's just something about it. I don't really like microphones that you can see a lot, so yeah, I'm using a lapel microphone, but you can barely see that. Okay, so the company sent me this for free, and they said, let's do a review on it. What do you think about it? And they said it's an all-around good lapel microphone because it works for cameras, external recorders, computers, phones. The only thing it worked with me was the camera. Nothing else it worked with, no sound came through. I used their different adapters and stuff like that, but still didn't work. So it comes with this one, comes with just a normal lapel microphone, which this one worked as well on the camera, but didn't work on anything else as well. Some extra wind protectors and a little clip. This is a splitter, so you could do both at the same time. That also didn't work for anything, so nothing, I plugged in my normal microphone into that and it still didn't work. And I believe we have another, this goes from the 3-prong to 2-prong into your camera. This is what you have to use for either lapel microphone. You have to plug it into here and then this into your camera. That's the only way it works. And that did work, but it didn't work for anything else, so kind of weird. And then we have just a normal extender. It's like a 6-foot extender. So I'm gonna test the quality out here. Don't expect anything great, but yeah, let's see what it sounds like. I am kind of bummed it didn't work with anything else because I would have liked to, maybe see if it's better than the lapel microphone that I use. But it is $20, it comes with two and a whole bunch of extra things, so kind of cheap, but giving a review on it since they sent it to me. Okay, so now you're getting full quality from the second lapel microphone, just the overall normal lapel microphone. I am talking just a little bit quieter because I didn't want to adjust all of my settings on my camera to get this to where it wasn't peaking so loud. So I'm talking just a little bit quieter and keeping it away from my mouth. But from what I've noticed, it does sound pretty good. But I just wish it worked with everything. And I don't know. So let me know what you guys think about this one. Let's get to the other one and see what it sounds like. Okay, let's get this on here. I did make it a little bit tighter, so if it's a little bit better. And I mean, the quality isn't terrible. So they're not terrible, but I just wish it worked with everything. And I feel like if you're spending $20, you might as well have it work with everything. And just having the two mics is, I guess, nice, but why do you want one big one like this and then one small one? You might as well just have both small if they're putting off somewhat the same quality. So I don't like this because it is big, but it's what you get. And they sent it to me for free, so there's the review. I like the sound somewhat, but overall I don't think the FIFINE C1, I believe is what it is, overall. So sorry about that, FIFINE, and yeah. So I'll leave the link down there, and if you guys want to check out any of my other videos, and also maybe consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys back in another video.